This is the entrance to the property at 14326 Hampshire Bay Circle in Winter Garden. There's a huge lake at the end of this street, and the house I think is going to be on the right on a big retention pond that's in the middle of the community. And this looks like it. Okay, so there's a big pier right in front of us. I don't know if you can see that. You can see the top of it down there. But yeah, there's a big lake. It's called Black Lake. It's in Winter Garden. Okay, so here's the drive up to the house. And there's your lions. And looks like there's a carport here. I thought this was a driveway. Or I thought this was a garage, but it looks like a carport. And I don't see a garage door, but that's it. And that's how close your neighbor is. Okay, so here's the view from the front yard. Okay, this is like a carport pass-through right here. 0.33 of an acre. And yeah, it's pretty tight here. I mean, you have a lot of nice trees around, so you don't really see the neighbors, but it's still kind of close. There's your pond. So there's really no backyard. There's trees to this side all the way up against the enclosure. And really the only place for a dog is here, so I really don't see this working. Looks like a nice big mango tree right in front of us though. There really is no back porch. There's really no shade. I have to walk in the neighbor's yard just to get through. Like you have a well pump for sprinklers. Okay, to the left, that looks like a perfect office. Okay, so this is our grand entrance. Looks like very ornate, very impressive. This is a 4,572 square feet. Says 4-bedroom, 3.5 baths. So let's go ahead and take a look. Kitchen actually is bigger than what I thought it would be. Looks like your eat-in right here. And this would be your formal right here. Okay, it's got black galaxy granite. Very ornate crown molding. Looks really cool. Fixtures, they would stay with the house. 42-inch cabinets with crown. KitchenAid appliances. And that's Whirlpool, and that's GE, so it's a mixed bag. Whirlpool there. Here's your laundry room. Stackable. It's got a sink. Not much room here. Only a 2-car garage. Oh no, that's right, we have a carport. This would have to be just a sitting room. I suppose this could be an office. This must be the entrance to the master. This looks like a master bedroom here with 2 closets and a shower, bathroom. And this looks like the room we saw coming from the outside. This could be an office as well. They must have had their master bedroom upstairs, and well, they use this as a master, but there's no real, yeah, I guess this is the door. Very ornate. So 1 bedroom downstairs, and it's the master. And then here's a half bath. Very rich. So you can see why they are asking the price they're asking. And there are wood floors upstairs. This would be a Jack and Jill bedroom. Okay. Vanity here, vanity there. And this would be bedroom number 4. And it has its own bathroom. Okay, so I guess we have 3 bedrooms upstairs, plus this loft area, plus that living area. And the master is on this side down here. It has an office. And that would be it. And again, this is 14326 Hampshire Bay Circle in Winter Garden, Florida.